So I know you've been struggling for Google 2FA authentication, either on your Bybit or your Binance or your KuCoin, on your Bitget, and all of other exchanges. Okay, so but I assure you, after watching this video, you're going to come and give a testimony in the comment section that it has worked for you. Maybe you have watched many videos and you cannot find a solution. So don't worry, let me just show you now. Okay, now if you're let me show you the Google Authenticator app. Look at the app here. Okay, go and download this. Now after you've downloaded the app, then you can just open the app, then click on these three dots here, three parallel here. You can also click on setting, then click on time correction for codes. Click on sync now. Alright, so time already correct. Make sure your time is correct before you do it. So after doing that, then I'm going to use Binance as an example. Okay. Now on my Binance, I just need to enter my security. Then Authenticator app. Enable. Alright, so you can see Binance explain this better than any other exchange. Okay, so the first thing you need to do here, you must copy this code. Click on copy here before you click on next. Okay, now the code has been copied. Let's go back to our authenticator again. Now on the authenticator, click on this plus sign. Click on enter a setup key. Now enter the name, Binance. Okay, paste the code you copied, that is the key. Now click on add. So you can see Binance has been added to the list of what I have here. Now, what is giving you most of the problem is that you can see this thing counting down here. So you need to copy the code and paste it on your exchange within the time frame. Okay, so if you see that it is remaining small, just allow it to finish counting, then it will come up again. So you can just long press on this one now, copy, then go back to our Binance. Now once you are back on your Binance, then click on next. Okay, so paste the code you copied from your Google Authenticator. Now click on submit. Authenticator app verification is successful and we are done. So I hope you found the video you are looking for. If you do, don't hesitate, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also drop a comment for us in the comment section. You can see it as marked. Alright, so this is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.